Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another video on Python for beginners to advanced. In a previous video, we have seen about the list data type, and in our today's video, we are going to see about. Alright, now let us see about first we are going to see about the tuple data type. This t is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. And remember, list we use it, you can see here. So it is showing us the tuple values that are there. Okay, let me just save it once again and run it again. This has been executed just now. Alright, so now next let us append certain value. At t is equals to 0, I'm going to append it as 100. Now let us save this and execute it. Now you can see tuple object does not support item assessment, which we have just seen. So in the list, we could append certain items. We could add certain items at particular ranges, but here you cannot. Now again, if we are going to append certain value, now for example, it will be t dot append will be neon. Okay, I'll save this, and also I'm going to add the remove also. T dot remove of 10. So the first one I want to remove. So let us see what will be the output. So you can see here the tuple does not have append attribute. Again, for the remove also, it is going to give us the same thing, that is the tuple does not have the remove attribute. Now you can see the tuple does not have the remove attribute. So this is how we are going to use the tuple, and note that the tuple is the read only version of the list data type. Now this is about the tuple. Now let us see about the range data type. How does this range work here? So there, as we told that there are three forms of the range. First we are going to see the first form 1. First we are going to see the form for 1 of the range, that is I'm just going to give it as range please print me from 10. Okay, I'll just save this, and I'll give here to print it. You have to use the for loop for I in R print I values. Save it, and now you can see here for the R it is giving us a red line, that is R is not defined. How you're going to define R here? Just have to give R is equals to range. Now inside this range it is going to give us, save it once and run. Now you can see that it is starting from the 0th index and it is giving us the values till 9. So this is the first form of a range. Now the second form of range, let us see here, print. Now you can see, as I told you, it is going to inherit the first attribute and is not going to inherit the last attribute, that is from 10 to 19. So again, the third form of the range, you just have to give a comma, and I'm going to give a 2 here. So let us run this. Now you can see it is going to give you 10, 20, 14, 16 and 18. If you're going to take 3 in the same, save it and run. So as I told you, 10, 13, 16 and 19 will be the output. So this is with one increment. And now if you have a 2, check whether that particular thing comes in a particular range. So you are going to give R of 0 is equals to R of 0. Save. It's going to give rent R of 0. Now Now you can see that R of 0 is 10. In the same way, if you want at the third index, what is present at the third index? So run. Now you can see at the third index it is 19. 0, 1, 2 and 3 it is 19. In the same way, if you are going to ask what is present at the 8th index. So if you run this particular code, it is going to give you range object as index. It is out of the range because we don't have here in this particular range, we don't have 8. But when you're going to use only from 10 to 20, and if you're going to ask it a particular range at 8, it is going to tell you at the range 8, it is 18. So this is the value how you're going to get it. But you cannot append certain values, you cannot add certain values. Now for example, if I'm going to give R of 0 equal to 100. So if I'm going to assign something like this, then it is going to tell me that, madam, it is not going to assign anything, and also it is going to show you the error and not is equals to, I'm sorry, it is going to tell you that you cannot assign any object here. So this is about the tuple and the range data type. Meet you again in the next video with the set data type. Till then, keep learning. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, bye bye.